and thank you for those who joined me on my live this morning. So, if you are new, let me add this because I always forget to do this. If you could give me a like and subscribe, I would absolutely love that. I appreciate every single subscriber. The OGs and the new ones, and it really does mean a lot to me. So I did my live today because I had to bring my car in to kind of catch you guys up. I got 4 new tires yesterday. You have to. And I waited too long. I did. It was one of those things where it was like you can feel the car is sluggish. You almost have to really work on the car, getting it to actually move, and you would be afraid to, drive in a not so steady road. But anyways, so I got that done because I heard some grinding. Unfortunately, that was not it. It wasn't tires. Brought it into Firestone, and the grand total is, and they gave me a discount. It was originally $16.42, but he brought it down to like 15 something. I have the amount right here. I needed 4 of my shocks, but I just got 2 because it was mostly the back ones. The rear ones they needed to be replaced, and the brakes and the brake flush, and I think the brakes and rotors. I think that's what he said. So yeah, $1,500 for everything. It's up there, and you don't know if you're getting the best deal, but it's a Firestone, so I think you're almost better off taking to a known place because, well, I mean, no matter where you go, the prices are going to get jacked up. So, but yeah, $1,500 and $800 for the tires, and it's part of the business. I do a lot of driving. We're planning on going to California, so it had to be done. But I'm just about to go online, so we'll see what orders we get. Hopefully they're a lot of money, so I can pay this bill off. But unfortunately, I am starting late because, well, I didn't have a car. So, but they were good. I brought it in yesterday at 4, and they had it done by 3. So 3 o'clock they called me, and it's just, by the time I got a ride, it's a little after 5. So anyways, but let's see. That's just the sound of the wind, but wind we can take. All right, the grinding sound is gone. They did their job, as far as I can tell. So, okay, let me head to a spot and go online, and let's get the orders coming in. All right, first order is CVS, $8, 2 miles, and it's only 2 items. So let's get a CVS. All right. That took longer than the 4 minutes it recommended, but I'm going to text the customer, letting her know that they are out of their ginger ale. Just to kind of apologize. I'm sorry, I was not able to get your ginger ale. I called, and Doordash said that, at least in the message they said, okay, they said they would contact her, and I never got a response back. So I don't want her to, I don't want to get a message from the customer saying, I didn't get my ginger ale. Well, anyway, so, okay. What is that? Cover your A, right? Okay, bye. Let's go get the customer her 1 item. My second pickup is 1.9 miles, $7, 7-Eleven. I don't know, let me see what's the pickup time, because I literally was just around the corner. And I love when that happens. I love when, as I'm dropping off the order, I get back in my car and almost immediately I get another order. That's ideal. So it's a little early. Oh, I was like creepy there for a second. Ooh, that was creepy. Sorry about that. But yeah, I'm a little bit early, so they're probably not quite ready yet. Let's see. I wonder if I'm buying. Let me see. Well, it says pick up by. So let me do arrived at store. Okay. Oh, wait, hold on. Let's see, I got a message from the customer. Okay. It's an apartment. Send a quick thank you. And let's head into 7-Eleven and get her order. Okay, here we go. Okay, 7-Eleven. Let's go pick it up. Hello, picking up for Candace on Doordash. Ooh, hot, hot, hot. Yeah, that's what I have too. Thank you, appreciate it. Order number 3 is at this Thai restaurant. It's like Archie's Thai restaurant. So, and it's 2.2 miles, like $7.50. So not too bad. It is going to an apartment, but it looks like the customer gave directions. So let's go get the order. I got a second order. It was an add-on, $7.75 for like an extra 4 miles. So it's a little bit, so it'd be 6 miles total. And it's a little more than $1 a mile, but listen, you know, the restaurant's right down the street. I don't have to drive anywhere else. And altogether it's gonna be like $14 for, what is it? 6 miles, so not bad. Okay, let's get the order number 1, and then we'll head up to the other one too. So let's go get the order. Okay, so Archie's Thai restaurant. I don't usually have to wait too long here. Let's go get the order. Please, huh? Hi, picking up for Tyler for Doordash. Okay, thank you. Second pickup is at, it's called Taj Palace. It's an Indian restaurant, and it's. So this is where it comes in handy knowing where your, you know, where the restaurants are, because I know if I put the directions on the app, it's gonna want me to go on to the main street and, you know, make a left and then da-da-da-da, and, you know, so, but I know all I have to do is cut through this little side street here and pick up the order. So that's what we do, right? This place is pretty cool. Do I just go over there and pick it up? Oh, okay. Hi. I have a pickup for Allison. I go to pick up that food from the Indian restaurant, and I can see it sitting there, and this guy kind of waves me, like, you know, points to someone, because I say I'm here for someone's order, and he, you know. So the guy comes to my order, and he spends a ridiculous amount of time, like, I mean, I'm showing him my phone, and I see it says Allison N. I'm showing him my phone, and he is like meticulously going through the order, and I'm like, the order is matching, and he goes, but it says Allison N. I'm like, yeah, Allison N. Oh, okay. I don't know. Orders are done, and actually I'll put in the total. So the Indian restaurant ended up being, instead of $7.75, it ended up being 10. I don't have Para turned on. I haven't gotten around to it, so that's nice. Going from $7.75 to 10, you know, I'll take it. But I've been sitting here hoping to get some orders, and nothing is going through. So I'm gonna head, what is it, south? I think it'll be south, and see if I get some more orders coming in. It's 7:08 now, so I think people are still gonna order, but I'm not in the best area, so don't waste your time. I know we always talk about, like, not, you know, the gas and what have you, but don't waste your time just kind of sitting around. I mean, you know, I wait for a little bit because you might get something and nothing is happening. So time is money, right? But so my strategy will be to see if I get an order, and hopefully it's a good one. So let's go head over to a better location. right, like literally right across from where I live.
Turn right onto Strawberry Fields Lane, then turn right onto Magical Mystery Lane.
Okay, did you guys catch that? These are all Beetle streets. Beetle, like they're either their songs or the street I'm dropping off at is
Turn right onto Magical Mystery Lane, then turn left onto McCartney Court.
See that? And then I'm going to be turning, the address I'm dropping off at is McCartney Court. I mean, it's, I'm a huge Beatles fan.
Left onto McCartney Court, then you will arrive at your destination.
Huge Beatles fan, and to me, I think this is just like the coolest street. So, okay, let's go drop off the order on McCartney Court. Here we go. So I'm gonna call it a night. It's a lot later. It's about 10:15. So I got a couple more orders in, and picked up my son, and we went out and got something to eat. So thank you again for joining me on my channel, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, bye.